This isn't a truck. It's a challenge. An alternative to decades-old ideas about what mobile command should look like. That bigger is better. That more cooks in the kitchen make a finer meal. In 2015, a customer came to us with a problem: how to serve and protect over 55 million rugged acres, most of which has zero connectivity. They needed massive comms horsepower in a compact package that deploys quickly and goes almost anywhere. They needed the tactical command vehicle. We now live in an always-on world. No organization can afford to be disconnected from the people they serve. At the same time, mobile operations are more complex than ever before. Nomad didn't change the game. We just responded first. What started as a napkin sketch is now the gold standard for the emergency management, public safety, medical, utility, telecom, and business continuity missions of today. Multiple fully customizable base models. One guiding mission: no separate systems. Every system fully integrated, working together, managed from any device with industry-leading Nomad Total Command software. From comms and connectivity to ergonomics and environmental control. Suspension to surveillance. Each component of the TCV is conceived and designed as a whole. TCV. Go where others can't. Deploy safer and faster. Serve better.